Hello friends, I am Mr. Ravindra Bhallerao and I welcome you to my channel that is English for Learners. Friends, in today's video we shall learn some of the activities or questions and answers of the novel Around the World in 80 Days. But before watching this video, as usual I request you don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, let's begin. Activities related to the novel Around the World in 80 Days. Let's see activities related to the theme. Number 14. Find and explain the significance of various exciting incidents in the extract. Answer. The first exciting incident was when Fogg was arrested by Detective Fix and imprisoned in the custom house. This meant that his return to London would be delayed, for he would have missed his train. The second exciting incident was his release. This meant that he could perhaps still reach London on time. The third exciting incident was when he tried to organize a train to London but had problems. The fourth exciting incident was Auda's marriage proposal and Fogg's acceptance of it. This showed that Auda was not at all materialistic and extremely grateful to Fogg for what he had done. She was willing to marry Fogg even after knowing that he was penniless. The fifth exciting incident was when Passepartout, on reaching the clergyman's house, discovers that it is not Sunday as they had thought, but Saturday, and there was a chance that they could still win the wager. The sixth most exciting incident was Fox reaching the Reform Club at the last moment and winning the wager. All the twists and turns and the climax at the end keeps the reader glued to the novel right till the end. Next activity number 15. Write 4 to 5 sentences on the theme of the extract. Answer. Phileas Fogg has to go around the world in 80 days if he has to win the wager. As he and his companion struggles to do this, time foils their plans in many cases. Fogg gets arrested for no fault of his and loses precious time. He is unable to catch the train from Liverpool and the special train he arranged to get delayed. Fogg is afraid that he has lost the bet. However, in the end, Fogg wins the bet with seconds to spare as he gained a day when crossing the international date line. His journey through the time zones had gained him a day. The ultimate message is that no one can control time. Time will work the way it wants to work, and humans are at its mercy. Next activity number 16. Write 4 to 5 sentences on morality, theme of the extract. Answer. Fogg embarks on his journey to preserve his honor and prove his worth to the men at the Reform Club. He spends nearly all of his money along the way, showing that riches are not what he is truly out for. He is honorable. When he thinks he is penniless, he does not want Auda to marry him. Auda, by proposing to him, shows that she is not materialistic. He forgives Passepartout his mistake. Passepartout shows his loyalty and love for his master at every step. In the end, when he wins the bet, he divides whatever money is left between Passepartout and Detective Fix, showing that he had no grudges against him. the writer shows that with human effort and willpower, enormous obstacles can be overcome. The writer also tells us the end that Fogg had won something more important than money by traveling around the world. He had won a charming woman who made him the happiest of men. The moral at the end is that love and its attainment is more important than all the challenges and money in the world. Next activity number 17. Writer the central idea of the given extract. Next activity number 17. Write the central idea of the given extract of the novel Around the World in 80 Days. Answer. The central idea of the given extract is how Fogg ultimately wins the bet even though there are unexpected delays and missed trains. He had unknowingly gained a day when crossing the international date line, and hence he was still in time to meet the deadline. The final statement is that love and its attainment is more important than all the challenges and money in the world. Next activity number 18. Justice served or done in the end. Explain. Answer. Phileas Fogg is an honorable and compassionate person. He wants to win his wager of going around the world in 80 days. He struggles against time as well as the obstacles and delays that come his way. Finally, when he reaches Liverpool and is about to go to London to win his wager, he is arrested because he is wrongly thought to be a bank robber. Throughout this ordeal, Fogg is calm and unshakable. Even though he thinks he has lost the wager, he does not blame anyone or lose his temper. He tells Auda that he cannot marry her and make her live in poverty. Justice is done unexpectedly in the end when he wins the wager. He had unknowingly gained a day when crossing the international deadline, and hence he was still in time to meet the deadline. In the end, the writer tells us that Fogg had won something more important than money. By traveling around the world, he had won a charming woman who made him the happiest of men. Thus, justice was done to the quiet and honorable Phileas Fogg. Let's see activities related to the language. Number 19. Elaborate the following quotes in the light of the extract of the novel Around the World in 80 Days. A. Quitters never win and winners never quit. Answer. Even though Fogg loses time due to being wrongly arrested and imprisoned, he makes every effort to reach London on time. He arranges a special train from Liverpool. He does not quit when he feels that there is some faint chance of a win. Later, when he Passepartout discovers that it is Saturday and not Sunday, and that there is a still chance of winning, Fogg puts aside everything and rushes heading to the Reform Club. He does not give up in spite of all the obstacles and comes out a winner, both in winning the bet and the love of a good woman. Next quotation. B. Time is the only solution to problem. Answer. The most important theme in the extract is time. Fogg's wager is a race against time, and his adventures illustrate repeatedly that time is fickle and either works for or against them. In many cases, time foils their plans when the delays build up and the train to Liverpool leaves without them. In the end, though it is time that helps win fogs his bet, since they gained a day when crossing the international deadline, the ultimate message is that no one can control time. Time will work with way it wants to work, and humans are at its mercy. Time is the only solution to problem. And last activity number 20. Following are some dialogue of the major characters in the extract. Find out who the speaker is, his or her tone or style, significance, etc. of the dialogue. Answer is given. Please watch it on screen. So friends, I hope you might have liked this video. If you liked it, please share it. If you have any suggestions for me, please write in comment box. Wish you good day. Take care. Thank you very much.